Hey everyone! First, to fix this issue, you need to install VirtualBox Guest Additions. This enables full screen mode and improves performance. Select Insert Guest Additions CD image, open the file explorer inside the VM and go to this PC. Run the installer that matches your system VBox Windows Editions x86 or VBox Windows Editions AMD 64. You will simply follow the installation steps, which is next, Microsoft dump next, and restart your VM VirtualBox. After restarting your PC, just you gonna type your password and hit enter, and it's time to click on view in the VirtualBox menu, select full screen mode or press right Control plus F. Just because of I'm running Windows 11 in a virtual machine, sometimes you need to customize the scale screen and icons manually. Right click and personalize. It will open display settings, scroll down a little bit, and I'm gonna choose 200% scale. Now we are in the end of the video, but I want you to take a look at account, and if you're gonna take a closer look, you're gonna find it a local account. In the next video, I will show you how to install and log into Windows 11 without a Microsoft account.